Hi, my name is Max, and in this video I'll tell you about the simplest meditation technique there is, the do nothing technique. As the name implies, the meditation technique consists of not doing anything. You simply sit down with your eyes open. Other techniques such as awareness meditation consist of you using your awareness to notice things in your environment or simply trying to focus on your thoughts and let go of them. But this technique has none of that, which makes it excellent for beginners. All you have to do is sit down with the intention of not doing anything. Now what this means is that you don't forcibly try to control your mind, you don't plan your day or solve math equations in your mind, you simply sit down and do nothing. You allow your mind to do whatever it does automatically. Now if you do end up planning your day or solving math equations in your mind while you're meditating, that's fine too. Just don't go in with the intention of doing that. Don't try to control your thoughts. And now a live demo of how the technique works. Okay, so step 1. Sit down, either cross-legged or on a chair. If you're sitting on the floor like me, then it helps to have a pillow underneath you. And remember to keep your back straight and your eyes open so you don't fall asleep. And the second part, say to yourself, I intend on doing nothing. This gets you in the right state of mind. After that comes part 3. You can defocus your gaze and let your mind do whatever it does. After that, you can simply continue to sit for however long you want to. It can be 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 or even an hour or more. When thoughts do arise, don't resist them, don't try to control them, simply let them be. It also helps to let go of your need to focus and control your thoughts. And that is the whole technique. You simply sit down and let your mind do whatever it does. This technique has been my go-to technique for the past 3 years now. And it's because it's so powerful, yet so simple and enjoyable. Because it's enjoyable, it's a good intro to meditation for beginners. Because oftentimes awareness meditation or hard determination sitting is simply too tough for beginners. Now some words of precaution here. Even though you let go of that need to control your mind, you still need to exercise a certain degree of control over your body. Meaning you'll have to sit still. Now most likely when you begin meditating, you'll have a sense of jitteriness. You'll want to wiggle your legs or move your arms. But you'll have to be able to resist that. And now you have no excuses. You have the by far simplest meditation technique out there. Now I want you to go meditate at least 5 to 10 minutes today. Of course, you can choose to do more than that if you'd like. And that's all I had to say for today. Out.